way! Who could that be? Open the door!
Mr. Noodle?
What is Mr. Noodle doing? Let's see what else Mr. Noodle does. Oh, so that's how Mr. Noodle does it. Good job.
Dorothy wants to ask someone else. How do you play a game?
Show Dorothy how you play hide and seek. Find all the animals. You found them. Elmo thinks that's everybody.
And now, Elmo has a question for you.
Can you count the soccer balls wearing baseball caps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 soccer balls and baseball caps all together. And 1 kite wearing sunglasses. Great counting, everybody! What's that? It's Tablet! A tablet! 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 Tablet, come to Elmo. Hi, Tablet. Oh, Tablet, Elmo wants to play a game. But what game should we play? Oh, we can play the 3 of these things game. Okay, Elmo sees a soccer ball, a jump rope, a plant, and a baseball. Which one doesn't belong? Tap it. Good guess, but nope. The plant doesn't belong. You can play a game with the soccer ball, the jump rope, and the baseball, but you can't play games with a plant.
But you can't play a game with a plant. The plant doesn't belong.
Yay! Good guessing, everybody!
Wait a minute. I play games.
Oh, sorry, Stinky. You can't play games with a plant unless it's Stinky the plant.
That's right.
Thanks, Tablet. But Elmo wants to learn more about games. How do we find out more? Wow! Oh, yeah! Tablet can show us videos about games. Pick a Pick another video.
I think we're going to...
How about a different video?